Listen, to be successful, you have to be patient. You have to be real patient. Don't be in a rush to get success. It takes a lot of hard work, and you have to make a lot of careful decisions. So be patient. You can't trust everybody's advice, but take the advice and just discern carefully which direction to go. And you got to be able to work with some people that you may not be used to working with. It may be difficult at first, but that's the whole point. Trying to become successful is not going to be easy. It's going to be something that's going to be difficult for you at first. But once you get to success, now all you got to do is keep moving, keep building, brick by brick, you know. So on the next show, I'm going to give you some examples of some things that can make you, that could get you on your path to being successful a little quicker. Bring you $100 a day, 200 hours a day, etc. That will get you to where you need to be in this life that we live in. All right. Till next time, I'm out.